Our skin is our body's first line of defense, a powerful shield that protects us from the outside world. It serves as both a chemical and a physical barrier, safeguarding our body from external threats. At the heart of this defense system is the skin barrier, primarily maintained by the stratum corneum, the outermost layer of the epidermis. Now think of it as a brick and mortar structure. The bricks are the corneocytes, which provide the mechanical strength and integrity to the skin. The mortar is the lipid matrix, sealing everything together to prevent water loss and keep the irritants out. Among the key components of this lipid matrix, along with cholesterol and the free fatty acids, are ceramides, the most abundant lipid in the skin. Chemically classified as sphingolipids, ceramides play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy skin barrier. But what exactly are sphingolipids? They are made up of a sphingoid backbone attached to a fatty acid chain. Now, due to the variations in these components, ceramides in human skin exist as a highly diverse group of molecules with over 15 distinct subclasses. So, why is the skin barrier so important? Over time, both intrinsic factors such as aging and extrinsic factors such as pollution, UV exposure, and diet can weaken this barrier. Now, when that happens, the skin experiences dryness, itchiness, loss of elasticity, inflammation, and therefore accelerated aging. Barrier disruption also alters the ceramide composition of the skin. So, what is the good news? By replenishing the ceramide levels, we can help restore the barrier, prevent excessive moisture loss, and keep skin healthy and resilient. Visit our website to explore Croda's Care range, a complete portfolio of ceramide solutions designed to be included in skincare formulations which protects and enhances the skin barrier.